An engineering drawing for a wiring harness is a detailed, technical, and contractual document that visually represents the design, layout, and specifications of a wiring harness. These drawings are prepared by wiring harness design engineers based on the design inputs and functional requirements of the equipment or vehicle. These drawings serve as a single source of reference for teams such as the manufacturing teams, quality control teams, and service and maintenance teams that are involved in the wiring harness lifecycle. Manufacturing teams follow these drawings to assemble the wiring harness accurately, ensuring that each component is positioned and connected as intended. Quality control teams reference them to verify compliance with design standards and specifications during inspection. Service and maintenance teams consult these drawings to identify the wiring harness components and troubleshoot issues in the equipment or vehicle. Ultimately, an engineering drawing for a wiring harness plays a critical role in ensuring that the wiring harness meets performance, safety, and reliability.